Hey brother, long time no see. Wow, today still bring your 朋友啊
Yeah lah, must support you ma. Let me introduce you my 师傅 Master Dan. 师傅 this is my very good friend 阿醉。
你好。
你好，来啉什么？
第四搞個餸半燒 plus 2 egg。
中国茶。
哎呀 brother，有时拿那麻烦啦。来，要喝一杯。
哎 ，Daniel，你的朋友阿醉，他好像遇到了一点小劫难。
来，修。鸡蛋2粒，7分钟啊。
哇塞！
醉，師傅 say you seems to be in some trouble. What happened?
趁今天有缘，就让我指点一下吧。天灵灵，地灵灵。
哪里？
生意困境，不过你会遇到贵人帮助。你是遇到的什么事情呢？
哎呀，the duck rice one 啦，say my place too small, cannot do distribution. 哇老诶
Bro, you heng ah. Just now me and 師傅 go and see my cow kitchen 風水。
，the food factory you bought during COVID 啊。
Yeah lah, show you buy you don't want. I told you food factory very rare in Singapore and it can help in your business. You don't believe?
If only I listen to you. Wow, then solve all my problem 了。哎，我 want to buy also 无了 right？
冇了啦. Hey, but you remember the OrangeTee 朋友 you introduced me? I think he did mention about this freehold project called Food Vision Mandai. About 5-minute drive to the new Sungai Kadut Township, where you have the new agri-tech park, which our government is going towards 30 by 30, meaning 30% nutritional need by 2030.
Oh, it's the new Sungai Kadut Eco District, right? Means got MRT, HDB, shopping mall, all in one eh. Oh, just now you say what ah? Food Vision at Mandai. Freehold meaning I can live for my kia,对不？
Yes lah, not only can you leave this as a legacy plan, there is no ABSD for industrial property too. After this, call your friend from OrangeTee.
哇，your 师傅 good 虾，哎，师傅 ，thank you，谢谢。
缘分，缘分。
哎，hello，still looking at what? Faster call OrangeTee 朋友啦。